Welcome to this GCSE Physics lesson on space physics. Today, we'll explore topics including our solar system, the life cycle of stars, orbital motion, satellites, and redshift. Our place in space is defined by Earth being the third rocky planet orbiting the Sun at an average distance of 149.6 million kilometers, positioned within a spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy among billions of other stars. Here is the list of topics we will cover in this chapter: our solar system, the life cycle of a star, orbital motion, natural and artificial satellites, and finally, redshift. Our solar system consists of the Sun at the center with 8 planets orbiting it. Alongside the planets, there are moons, asteroids, and comets. The planets closest to the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The universe is organized in a clear, step-by-step pattern from tiny systems to massive structures, moving from our solar system to individual galaxies, and finally to massive galaxy groups and the cosmic web. The life cycle of a star begins in a stellar nebula, progresses through the main sequence, and ends as a white dwarf, neutron star, or black hole depending on its mass. Stars are born in huge clouds of gas and dust called nebulae, where gravity pulls material together into dense clumps that heat up and form baby stars known as protostars. Stars begin their lives in clouds of dust and gas called nebulae. Gravity pulls the material together to form a protostar. Once nuclear fusion starts, the star enters the main sequence phase where it spends most of its life. After exhausting its fuel, the star expands into a red giant or supergiant. Its final stage depends on its size. Smaller stars become white dwarfs, while larger ones may explode as supernovae and become neutron stars or black holes. The life cycle of massive stars progresses through a nebula, a protostar, and a main sequence star, before expanding into a red supergiant and ending in a powerful supernova explosion that leaves behind a neutron star or a black hole. An orbit is the curved path an object takes around a larger body in space, sustained by a balance between forward momentum and the pull of gravity. Orbital motion occurs because of gravity. The gravitational pull between two objects causes one to orbit the other. This is balanced by the object's inertia trying to move in a straight line, creating a stable orbit. For example, planets orbit the Sun, and moons orbit their planets. Orbits can be circular or elliptical in shape. Natural satellites are moons that orbit planets. Earth's moon is a natural satellite. Artificial satellites are human-made objects launched into orbit for various purposes. These include communication, weather forecasting, and global positioning systems, or GPS. Artificial satellites are human-made objects sent into space to orbit Earth or other planets. Their main uses include communication, weather forecasting, and navigation. Redshift is the stretching of light waves to longer, redder wavelengths as objects move away from us. It provides key proof that the universe is expanding, showing that more distant galaxies have a greater redshift and move away faster. Redshift refers to the way light from distant galaxies shifts towards the red end of the spectrum. This shift happens because these galaxies are moving away from us. Redshift is important evidence that the universe is expanding, supporting the Big Bang theory. Edwin Hubble proved the universe is expanding by discovering that distant galaxies move away from us, with speeds matching their distance, through his analysis of galactic redshifts and Cepheid variable stars. The Big Bang model describes the universe as expanding outward from an extremely hot, dense primordial state roughly 13.8 billion years ago. Modern cosmology is scientific study of the large-scale origin, structure, evolution, and ultimate fate of the universe, rooted in the core pillars of the Big Bang theory, cosmic inflation, and general relativity. Dark matter and dark energy are two unseen components of the cosmos. Normal matter makes up 5%, dark matter makes up 27%, and dark energy makes up 68% of the universe. Interpreting diagrams requires understanding key visual models, star life cycles, orbital motion, and redshift. To summarize, the solar system contains the Sun, planets, and other objects. Stars go through a life cycle from birth to death. Gravity causes orbital motion of planets and satellites. Satellites can be natural, like moons, or artificial, made by humans. Finally, redshift provides evidence that the universe is expanding. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.